Hello everybody and welcome back to another video of Linux on DeX. In this video we're going to have a look at Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is a programming language editor that helps you to write the code faster because it's got some predictions, color coding, etc, etc, etc. I installed that program on my Chromebook with Linux enabled. So this is my Chromebook Acer R11. It has a Chrome OS, it has Android OS, and it has Linux OS. Android OS basically means that I can run Android apps, and the Linux OS means that I can install some Linux programs. So install the Visual Studio Code. There is a video if you want to go and check that out. I will leave in the description below if I won't forget. But anyway, and Visual Studio Code runs very slow on this device. So let's see how it runs on my Linux on DeX on my Note 9. So let's put the Chromebook back on the shelf. Let's open Linux on DeX. Let's open up and click Run. Visual Studio Code comes in pre-built on Linux on DeX. So let's see how it performs. So let's minimize all these. This is a Visual Studio Code icon. So if I click on this, let's wait and see how it runs. So is it opening? Is it not? Okay, it's opening. Speed not the great, but it's actually faster than on my Chromebook. So okay, so let's go and click on a file, add a project folder. I'll go to LoD share, external, my SD card, and let's create a folder here, right? Python, because I'm a bit messing with the Python, and let's create another one. Let's say simple calc, basically simple calculator, and click OK. So I have a folder, project folder, create a simple calc. There we go. Let's create a new file. Click main. Straight away out of the bat, I will say this runs faster than on my Chromebook. So okay, zoom in and out works fine. I just waited zooming everything in. I mean even the side panel, I just wanted the code to be bigger. So if I go to view, under view I need to find where I can actually increase. Okay, emit, selection files, preference, bingo, file icon, color theme, settings. Oh, clicked outside. Let's see what's the preference and settings gonna give me. Font size 22, not 232, 22. Okay, so that's it. I just do this and it saves automatically. Yes, so here you go. So let's write a quick code of like num1 equals int input first number. Okay, num2 integer. We're gonna do input second number. Okay, total equals num1, gives me predictions what I'm planning to type, and do print total. Here you go, my program. Under debugging, if you will start debugging, it should give you environment Python debugging Python. Okay, right, what I noticed, it comes in with Visual Studio Code pre-built, but not all the plugins pre-installed. So basically you actually need to start sorting your own plugins as soon as you doing oh come on, why you don't want to run? Reload. I might forgot to reload. Okay, debugging, bingo, gives me some errors but doesn't matter. So here we are, it's running in the terminal. So first number is 45, second number is 55, and the total will be 100. My program is working. Linter, do not show me again. I don't really want that. The actual terminal, the actual terminal runs a bit slowish. Actually, it speeds up now. Exit. But here we go, Visual Studio Code running on my DeX station. It's another place for you to go and start coding and writing your code and creating a masterpiece. This runs with no problem at all. I'm amazed. I mean, this is the more and more I go into Linux on DeX on my Note 9, the more it becomes more than just a phone. I mean, my S8 Plus was already more than just a phone, but this Note 9, it takes everything to a new level. Totally amazing device. Okay, thank you very much. Hold on, a bit thirsty. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Click like and subscribe, you know all the drills. Leave your suggestions comment section below what else I should try on my Linux on DeX, and I'll see you in another video where I'm trying apps and games on various devices. Apps and games on various Android devices and Linux on DeX. Life is busy. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next one. Bye bye.